Please join us for the 2026 Whole Woman Summer Intensive, where we unveil the profound and eternal nature of our bodies, orchestrated through an ancient molecular symphony known as hormones, the timeless keys to balance, vitality, and life itself. This is not merely a story of chemistry and biology. Rather, we are revealing that the continuity birthing life eons ago is still living on within our very bodies. Hormones are the living expression of our eternal nature. They're not merely biochemical substances, but harmonic resonators that reflect our consciousness and influence our reality. At the heart of our hormonal symphony lies steroidogenesis, the intricate process of synthesizing our hormones from cholesterol. Hormones are biochemical signals that transmit information throughout the body, much like harmonic waves. Each hormone carries a specific frequency that resonates with our cells, organs, and systems. As we will see, in both males and females, testosterone serves not only as a ligand for the androgen receptor, but as the precursor for other vital steroid hormones. These frequencies are akin to musical notes in the symphony of our being. They help tune our body-mind system to the right harmonic alignment, allowing us to function optimally in the physical world. This revelation has profound implications for natural medicine. Yet the medical, pharmaceutical, industrial complex has largely obscured its importance. Our consciousness is not separate from our physical being. It expresses itself through the biochemical processes that govern our physiology. If a cell forgets who it is, it becomes ripe for malignancy. Hormones are not merely biological agents. They are harmonic messengers that reflect and shape our consciousness. By understanding and harmonizing them, we align our physical existence with our eternal essence, allowing us to live as the authentic self we are continuously creating. Come, align with us by clicking the link below.